Picture this, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the heart of Mecca, facing a torrent of trials. The powerful Quraysh tribe, relentless in their persecution, hurl insults, mock his teachings, even torture his followers. Imagine the sacred mosque, a space of tranquility disrupted by the approach of Abu Jahl, a sworn enemy of Islam. A red cloth, a symbol of aggression, is tightened around the Prophet's neck, choking him to unconsciousness. Brave Muslim men intervene, but their strength pales against their adversaries. Yet, in this storm of violence, the Prophet Muhammad remains an island of calm, resilient, and patient. No calls for revenge, only prayers for guidance and forgiveness. This patience and resilience yield a robust community in Medina and victory over his adversaries. The Prophet Muhammad's story is a testament to endurance, perseverance, and steadfastness, a beacon of resilience amid adversity. It serves as a gentle reminder. Challenges are inevitable, but with patience and determination, victory is within reach.
Life's trials are inevitable, but their lessons are invaluable. From the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, one can learn the essence of patience and steadfastness. Adversities may storm our lives, yet the beacon of patience guides us through, promising that time heals all. Deep trust in the divine is another lesson drawn from the Prophet's life. Relying on the Almighty's assistance, knowing He guides us through our tribulations, is a pillar of strength. In the face of persecution, the Prophet, peace be upon him, chose forgiveness over revenge, praying for the guidance of his adversaries. A lesson of mercy, forgiveness, and peace resonates here, urging us to strive for tolerance. The Prophet's spiritual strength was bolstered by the support of his companions, underscoring the significance of social support and encouragement in our lives. Lastly, the Prophet's life is a testament to overcoming challenges to achieve success. Despite hardships, he built a robust Islamic state, spreading Islam's message worldwide. This is a powerful reminder that challenges are stepping stones to success and positive change. So, from the Prophet Muhammad's endurance, we learn to navigate our trials. By applying these lessons, we can conquer difficulties, emerging stronger and more patient.